Hey, this is the Ramen Raider coming at you again with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came out of an exotic nudes box yet again. Go to exoticnudes.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider. Get yourself a discount. Ooh, ooh. So this is by Being Blue, with sachets that mention a company called Taste, actually a range. And then, does it even show it on here? No, it doesn't. Interesting. These are made in South Korea. And for the export market, 4 minutes, okay. But these are made by Nongshim in South Korea, or a part of the Nongshim company. It starts with a T, like Taegong or something like that. I can't remember what it is, but it's different. But I don't know if these are just specifically for export and there's no correlating product in South Korea. I don't know what the deal is. Anyways, they are a seafood pho, and I've never heard of that before. Not that that means that it's a bad thing, but yeah, see right here it says Taste. That's their, yeah. And there's a bunch of different things that bear that logo. In fact, I've had pho that's been by Taste before, so maybe Taste is going by the wayside in favor of the Being Blue brand. I don't know, sometimes you could have a brand and just like literally they're like, I don't know why people don't buy it. Well, maybe it's just the display, the packaging, who knows. So they give it another shot under a different brand name and it does well. So presentation is a huge part of flavor. Okay. Up to the lion, right there. Yeah. Push the lid on the right like this. Scoot it over. Oh, that says 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. I can pour water. I can do it. I can do it. I'm qualified. God, I better be. Well, anyway, it's time for our quote of the day from Momofuku Ando Speaks. These are quotes by the guy who invented the instant noodle. Number 216. Work is truly worthwhile when you come up with whole new schemes for doing business. Cool. So let's see, what is interesting that's going on? Stimulus passed. That's coming soon. That's fun. Yeah, that's really helpful. No matter what side of the fence you are on politically, cash in the bank, it never hurts. But don't get used to it, because I can't believe it. I mean, like, the only way you're going to have this happen again is if you have another pandemic or there's, like, some crazy war breaks out or something. Hopefully, neither of those things happen, and we can just go back to being normally broke. You might ask, what's he doing now? Can this guy just stop for a second? No, I can't. So this is, what do you call it? This is the lid from the last one I did. So some of these, what I like to do is, I like doing this before I do the review. Sometimes you got bowls and cups that, first off, they don't say how much liquid is used in them. That makes that impossible. Because if it doesn't say how much liquid's in there, I can't, I have to use the cup. So that's what I'm doing right now is I'm dismantling this poor cup, and then it will get scanned and go in the review. There's a lot of tedium to what I do, but it ends up working out. I've got a new scanner printer thingy, and it's really nice because I'll be able to do this whole side, the side of this whole thing in one shot, and that used to be not possible. It saved so much time. Oh my god. Such a time saving. Because what I have to do is scan it in 2 chunks, and then... There we go. I'd have to scan it in 2 parts. And then what I'd have to do is fit it back together in Photoshop. But sometimes they tear. Some of these cups are built better than others. Sometimes it's kind of like a latte cup where they give you that sleeve. So there's like an extra layer that you can just peel off that's like made as label. But this one, the whole thing is glued together, and so I have to... But Anyways, it's kind of a behind the scenes of what I really do. What do you really do? Oh, a lot of really tedious crap. Like peeling labels. The tough ones. Oh man. The import labels. Because I'll scan that. And I'll also scan the actual thing that's like naked. Why, hello! Are you done with your lunch? Wow! Very good job, ladies and gentlemen. The lovely Mimi. Here you go, sweetie. Here's your beverage. Good job. High five. You got a dirty mug. Go wash your face, okay? Love you. Love you. My little girl's got a dirty mug. Alright. So that's done. I'll have to do that with this one too, because this one, it's all one piece. Let's take a look at what we got here. Seafood pho. The noodle looks like it's really hydrated well. Whereas the last one, it hydrated, but I really don't think the last one was a rice noodle. I think it was like, I don't know what you call it. Mung bean sprout, sweet potato thread, yam thread. I'll look at the ingredients. Maybe it says, maybe they just called it instant rice noodle on accident. Accidents happen, especially when it comes to the world of translation. But here's the noodle. Broth is not like exceptionally strong by any stretch of the imagination. It's not bad. A little bit of seaweed and such going on. It's not bad. I will say I like it, but it's not... I never would expect the term seafood pho. I mean... I've had a decent amount of pho, and I've never heard of a seafood one. At least in the instant noodle world. It's always beef or chicken, or vegetable. How we looking? How we looking? There you are. Whoa, there you. Okay, all done? You know what you drink? Alright. Look at that, my little girl's being a really good one today. All right, it's gonna be time for school in a few, and you can have your tablet after school. Okay. Okay, so go play with Miles. Love you. Oh. She was being a real pip earlier, but she's being very good now. I appreciate good. Yeah, they were really nice yesterday for my birthday. They only fought 85.7% of the time. And when they go at it, it's ridiculous. So I got some seafood here. I think I just did this in the wrong order of operations, but we'll see what happens. Squid. Fresh shrimp. Well, I should say fresh frozen shrimp because I just opened the bag for the first time today. So that I consider that to be pretty fresh. And man, I'll try it like that. Let's see what we got here. Okay, and a little bit of pepper flake. There he goes with the pepper flake again. Eunice, come here. Look at this. He's doing the pepper flake again. Oh, he's gonna do the. Oh, jeepers. He's gonna do the those seed things. Doesn't he know? That's incorrect. That's not right. It doesn't matter. What I wish I had was some sriracha, which I don't. Yeah, I don't have any sriracha. Now I've got some chutney and some ketchup. I've got some sriracha mayo. I don't think that any of those things are going to go out well. I could use ketchup and say it's sriracha, but I'm not going to do you like that. It's like, sir, you're very uncouth doing such a thing. Let's see if I can get this working well. Works for me. I try to get the children to race each other when cleaning up. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Usually I have to play the William Tell overture, and that gets them going. That's a tip. Anyways, well, yeah, that's the second one. I'm done in record time, so I'm outie and stuff. This one's not bad. If you see it, you might want to give it a try. And excellent. Yeah. Cool. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.